Welcome to the Seneca Software tutorial series. In this video, you will learn the necessary skills to navigate a Seneca dataset and understand the underlying logic behind it. The datasets contain tree structures, which are built up by nodes. The implemented structures determine our controlling logic, which we need for our daily work. This structural view gives us a better overview of our controlling system. The structure is a set of nodes. The nodes can be parent and children nodes, which refer to the relation among them. As we click on the nodes, we can go deeper and deeper. Seneca makes it possible for us to build up the structures in different details. Now, let's go through a simple example. First step, open the Demo GmbH dataset. Second step, click on the Demo GmbH node, then select the Integrated Financial Planning node, then P&L, Total Output, and finally the Revenue node. With Seneca, you can create and manage these structures in varying levels of detail, making it a powerful tool for financial planning and analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Seneca software tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.